Hello everyone, this is Inayat Mir with section 2, topic 2, configuring Hyper-V video. In this video, we will talk about storage media on a virtual computer. This is a topic 2 scenario, configuring Hyper-V storage and creating VHD virtual hard disk on a virtual computer. I have my Hyper-V role installed on my physical computer. I am showing you my server. DC3 is a host name and ny1.com is my domain name. We provisioned this domain already, which has a few members and a couple of groups, but at this time I am showing you only the storage media. MS3 is a member server. This server will be used later for a storage member. So we are going to look at computer management. This server, which has not enough room here for usage, but we want this server to get an extra shared drive from DC3. So MS3, as I said, is a member server. So this member server will be using another drive which I am going to share. So we are going to create a virtual hard disk. So that will be virtually installed or configured or created or provisioned on this server, which is a DC3. Again, I am going into my computer management. Looking at my disk management, I have only my root drive, C drive and a CD-ROM. From here I am going to create a new folder. You can give them any name, but we are going to give this folder a name VHD, virtual hard disk, and from disk management we right click and create a new VHD from our new VHD folder on root drive. So this VHD folder will contain another VHD inside of it. That will be a new drive on this computer which can be shared. I will show you how it works, but again I am just taking this advantage of this technology, creating a new data folder, 2 GB in size. I am leaving it as a fixed size for now. First we have to initialize the disk. In MBR it is under 2 terabytes, so I will leave as MBR, master boot record. The next step is to create a volume. So I am going to use my full volume 2 GB and I am going to format as a quick format in NTFS, New Technology File System file format. It is being formatted now, is healthy, it is done. So you look at that, file drive size is 2 GB. I am going to share this drive. You can give them any share name. To make things simple, I am going to make it data. For now, I am going to add everyone full control. In real life or in production, you can add only the group you want to add. So I am adding, as a practice, domain admins group as well. Even we don't need it because we already have everyone group in it. So now this drive is 2 GB in size. Inside of this drive I am going to make a new folder just for a reference, EEFF. Again, keep in mind this folder resides on DC3, we are going to use it from MS3. I am on my member server where I am going to map a drive from DC3, which is my server name. Data is a folder name. As you see that now drive is mapped. Nobody knows how this was set up, where actually it resides, but in reality that is a virtual hard drive on DC3. So now I have that drive available. I am checking my host name on DC3. So this was just a practice. I am adding a notepad here, or Word document or text document, something just to let you know that if I move on to my member server, I will be able to see this document in that drive. So everything is virtual. On physical, I am having this virtual PC. On virtual, I am having this virtual drive. Now this WordPad or rich text document is there. Now we have this map drive. Now I can disconnect because this was just a demo. And now you can go back to DC3 and remove your virtual hard disk from disk management, but before that you have to delete the volume and detach. Now you can detach a VHD or virtual hard disk. So this was just a brief small demo, and I hope you will like this demo. I will see you in my next video. Bye.